In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable project management. Create a base for your projects. We're going to build a simple and practical project management setup in Airtable that helps you organize projects, track tasks, and create a clearer view of your team's work. This setup is great because it keeps everything connected in one place while still being flexible enough to grow with your workflow. Start by creating a new base in Airtable for your project management system. Think of this base as the main workspace where all your project information will live. Keeping everything inside one dedicated base makes it easier to manage timelines, responsibilities, and progress without jumping between tools. Next, add a table for projects. This table will hold your high-level project information. Each record in this table should represent a single project, giving you a clean overview of everything your team is working on. This becomes the foundation for the rest of the system, so it's worth keeping the structure clear and easy to scan. After that, add a separate table for tasks. This is where the day-to-day work will be tracked. Each record here should represent an individual task. Splitting projects and tasks into separate tables is important because it allows you to manage larger initiatives while also keeping track of the smaller action items required to complete them. Now set up the key task fields. Add fields for task name, owner, due date, status, and priority. These fields give structure to your task tracking and make it much easier to sort, filter, and review work later. The task name should clearly describe the work to be done. The owner field helps assign responsibility. The due date supports scheduling and deadline tracking. Status gives visibility into progress, and priority helps your team focus on what matters most. Once those fields are in place, link each task to the correct project using linked records. This connection is what makes the base powerful. It allows you to see which tasks belong to which project and helps you move between high-level planning and detailed execution without losing context. From there, create useful views such as Kanban, calendar, grid, or timeline. Different views help different types of work. Kanban is helpful for tracking progress by status. Calendar makes deadlines easier to spot. Grid gives you a spreadsheet-style overview, and Timeline helps visualize work across time. To make your setup even more useful, use interfaces to create a project dashboard. A dashboard gives you a more polished and focused way to review project progress, task status, and overall workload. This is especially helpful if you want a quick summary without editing the raw tables. Finally, add automations for reminders or task updates if needed. Automations can reduce manual follow-up and help your team stay on track. Even a simple reminder can make your system more reliable and easier to maintain over time.